Hi, in this video I will show you how to create RFC destinations in SAP systems. Just before showing that, let me connect to the server first. Just it is my server operating system, and it is installed in another physical computer, and the server 2008 is installed in this computer. See, this is server Windows Server Enterprise, and the RAM is 8 GB. Okay, and in this I have installed NetWeaver system two times, like NetWeaver 7.0 and NetWeaver 7.0 EHP1. NetWeaver 7.0 is running on Windows Server 2003, and NetWeaver EHP1 is running in Windows Server Enterprise. Okay, 2 GB allocated to this mission and 2 GB allocated to this mission. Okay, out of 8 GB I have allocated 2 GB to NetWeaver 7.0 and 2 GB to NetWeaver 7.0 EHP1. So I want to connect these two systems using RFC destinations. Okay, let us see how to log on to these systems from my laptop. Just this is my laptop. Here you see this is my laptop. From here SAP logon pad, I have created entries here. Okay, entries are for NetWeaver 7. Just go to properties, NetWeaver 7 192.160.2.7 is the IP address of NetWeaver 7.0. This is IP address of NetWeaver 7.0. Just check it up. What is the IP config? .7 and NW70's IP is this is 2.5. Okay, just remember these IP addresses. So these IP addresses are useful for connecting both the systems using RFC destinations. Okay, so I am minimizing the server operating system, server screen, remote desktop connection. This is remote desktop connection. Server IP address is 2.2. I am minimizing. We don't need that to for experimenting on this RFC destinations. Just we need this screen. That's all. Okay. Just first of all, I am logging on to NetWeaver 7 system. Double click on it. So this is the initial screen of NetWeaver 7.0 system. From here you can see the host name of the NetWeaver 7 NW700CS, and the SID is dev, and the client number is 00. Okay, just I am closing the screen and I am testing this NetWeaver 7 EHP1. Okay, double click on it so that the host name of this mission is NW7 EHP1 and the client number is 000 and the system identifier SID is the NPD. Okay, and now I am going to log on to NetWeaver 7 system first. Okay, so then from there I will create RFC destination to this mission. That means in our scenario this is source system, this is destination system. Okay, NetWeaver 7, you double click and enter the details. So I am logging on to 100 system, 100 client. The username is, I can log in with my username. Okay, so it is logged in. Just we have logged into the system using the user RAS and the client 100 and the host name is this, and system identifier is dev. In the same way, I will log on to destination mission also. Just for testing purpose, we need to have the user ID of the destination mission to create RFC destination. So that's why let us log in and check the user information inside target system. Okay, so in this mission 001 is the client and the username is Ras and the password is initial password. And first time it will ask you to change the password. I am changing the password. Okay, so the user account is created in the destination mission. Okay, user name is remembered by me, and just I am logging off from this mission and just going to the first system LW700CS. From here I am hitting T code SM59. SM59 is used for creating RFC destinations. Just enter T code and hit enter. You can see the initial screen of configuration of RFC connections. Okay, from here you have to select ABAP connections. From ABAP connections you need to click on the create button. Okay, so create button. So now I am going to create destination RFC destination. What is the naming convention I will use is, first I will put the SID of destination mission NPD, that is and the CLNT, and the client I am going to log on to destination mission is 001. Okay, just connection type is just put 3, that is ABAP connection, and the description is RFC destination to NPD 001 client, NPD 001. Okay, just put click on save button from the standard toolbar. Okay, once you click save button, you will get remaining the details to enter. Just you need to put the target host. What is the target host in our scenario? That is NW7 EHP1. Okay, and the system number is 00. Okay, just click host name here to get the host name in this box. And again, if I click on IP address option, IP address should be visible here of the destination mission. Okay, this is the host name of the destination, and the IP address of the destination is 192.168.2.5. Okay, once it is done, just click on the save button and go to log on and security tab. From the log on and security tab, you can store the user details of the destination system here. What is the user details? Client is 001 and the username is Ras, and the password which I have changed after logging first login to the system. Okay. Okay, once you give all these details, click on the save button here, and once it is saved, and it will display this dialog box. User can be used for remote logon in target system. Okay, click continue. Okay, once it is done, just click on the save button again. Yes, it is saved. Okay, now you can click on the connection test. For the testing purpose, just click on the connection test from the application toolbar. Okay, so once you click, it will be contacted to the target system and it will display the result here. Okay, like this you need to get the result. That means it is successful connection. And go back, and you can also test the Unicode test. That means both the missions are Unicode systems. Target is a Unicode system, character size 2. Okay, and you can also log on to the remote system. Just observe that once I click on the remote logon, I will get another screen, screens like this, and in that screen the host name is different and the system identifier is different and client number is different. Just observe that. Just click on remote. Okay, just click on start SAP easy access. Just see the SID system identifier is NPD and 001 the target host name is NW7AHP1. In the same way, from this mission also you can create RFC destination to the source system. So how to do that? In this mission you just enter SM59. In the same way, ABAP connections, just expand ABAP connections, click on create button. So in the same way how we have entered these details in the source mission, in the same way we have to enter the details of the source mission. Okay, dev CLNT. In the source mission we are logging on to 000 client, isn't it? So we are logged on to 000 client, 100 client, yes, 100 client. Just put 100 here and put 3 here. RFC destination to dev CLNT client is 100. Okay, click on the save button. Okay, in the same way how we have given the these details in source mission, we have to provide the source mission target host. What is the source mission target host? NW700CS, and the system number is 00 again. Click host name, you will get the host name here, and the IP address, you will get the IP address here, 2.7. okay, click save button and go to logon and security tab. In the login and security tab you can give 100 client and the username is Ras and the password is whatever the password you have provided to this particular user. Okay, click save. Okay, click continue. Once it is done, you can also check the remote logon or connection test from this screen. Just click on connection test, it will be connected to the source system and it will give you the result. Okay, so connection test is passed. Just go back and click on remote logon to log on to the source system. See, NW700CS is the source mission information. Just click on start easy access. So it has not asked you to give the password here, just because the password which we have given in the RFC destination, it is correct. So in the source mission the password given was wrong. Just let me change that password. Go to ABAP connections. What is the connection we have created? NPD CLNT 001. This is the connection we have created. Just double click on it, and to change you need to click on the change button. From the change button, go to logon and security. Here the password is wrong, just correct password I am providing. Okay, once it is done, just click on save and test by clicking on remote logon. See, 001 NPD and W7 EHP1. So in that way, both ways it is working. So connection is perfect, RFC destination is perfect. Okay, so that's all about creating RFC destinations. I hope you understood very well. So if you have any confusion, you just contact me by putting some comments, and if you like this video, just subscribe to my channel. You will get you can watch more videos like this on SAP basis administration. Okay, thanks for watching.